Hey, it's the Halloween season, time to indulge in everything scary, spooky, and maybe a little bit evil. And what's the best way to do that? Well, you head to somewhere ghoulish. Daily Flash's Shamroc Peterson shows us some of the most terrifying places on the West Coast.
Thanks, Mitch. I have to let you know that I'm a big scary cat. And in this time of year, you won't even find me near anything that's scary or even haunted. But I am standing near one of the scariest places in the world. But guess what? I'm not going to even go inside, but I'm going to give you a glimpse inside and show you some of the scariest places in Southern California.
Known worldwide as the most haunted house in America, the Whaley House is the most famous haunted location in San Diego. Built in 1857 on an old cemetery, it was the Whaley family's home in the 19th century. With more history than any other building in the city, sadly, it's full of heartache and tragedy for the Whaleys. With the death of baby Thomas Whaley Jr., he is said to cry down the Whaley House halls, running in the distance. And a young woman has been reported to inhabit the second floor of the house. This ghost is believed to be Violet Whaley, saddened over her broken marriage. Other reported activity is the lingering ghost of James Yankee Jim Robinson, who is hanged on the property, along with chandeliers swinging back and forth. Ghost hunters and thrill seekers constantly flock to the Whaley House, trying to catch a glimpse of the long-dead Whaleys, passing on spine-tingling tales, all signs that the Whaley House still belongs to those who called it home over the years. Considered one of the most haunted places in the world, the Queen Mary is a legendary ocean liner that sailed during the mid-20th century and then retired in the 1960s. Now the Queen Mary is permanently docked right off the coast of Long Beach, California, and is a tourist destination for history, but also terrifies people within its halls. This ship tops the list of all lists as one of the creepiest places around the world. And during the Halloween season, the Queen Mary transforms into Dark Harbor, tapping into the dark depths of your deepest hidden fears, with its cast of sinister spirits ready to deliver blood-curdling terror. So when you board the haunted Queen Mary, you'll live out your nightmares with ghouls, spirits, and the undead, bringing the highest level of paranormal activity for an unforgettable, frightening experience, all on the most haunted luxury passenger ship, the Queen Mary. Buena Park is now Boona Park, the Halloween capital of Southern California. For those who are brave enough to visit this time of year, there's lots to do, but there's nothing bigger than Not Scary Farm, one of the first, largest, and longest running Halloween events. This is Southern California's largest immersive experience where terror comes to life as the theme park shifts into your worst nightmare, with horrifying monsters and chilling scares around every turn. You'll be confronted with your greatest fears, with haunted attractions, sinister scare zones, mesmerizing mazes with Halloween transformations to some of the park's attractions. And there's nowhere to hide, with endless scares everywhere, full of madness, torture, and eerie enlightenment, with terrifying surprises you'll never see coming. All at Not Scary Farm in Buena Park, the transformed town of terror.
Now that was terrifying, wasn't it? Some of the scariest places in Southern California, from your correspondent on the West Coast. And remember to check me out on all your favorite social media. For Daily Flash, I'm Shamroc Peterson. Enjoy your travels.